Good morning, children. And today we are going to see the Unit 1 revision on sports is fun. Okay, yesterday we have seen Jumbo the cricketer and the Kabaddi lesson, question answers, and the back exercise that is completed. And today we are going to see sports is fun. Okay, in that, first earlier in the pre-reading activity, we have seen that 6 best doctors. What are the 6 doctors? Sunshine, water, rest, air, exercise, and diet. That is 6 doctors. Okay, now for the poem, see a sports is fun. In this, we are going to see the back exercises. Okay, see, take page number 15. If you don't have, I have given the picture here. Okay, see, and also I have given the answers. Okay, new words is given, that is bright, shining strongly, full of light. Skip, jump over a rope holding both ends. Skipping, you do know that is skip. Okay, other skip is also there, where you don't want to have this in that mobile and all, it will come no in the bottom. Skip later, like that another skip is there. Okay, volley, see, hit or kick the ball before it touches the ground. Pool, a small area of still water formed naturally or artificially, where they do swimming, or some like pond, like pool. Pool is a small area of still water. Okay, Roman letter 1. Answer the following questions orally. What does the poet want to do? First question, what does the poet want to do? The poet want to go out and play in the bright sunny day. What are some of the things that poet wants to do? What the poet want to do? The poet want to play and skip. He also wanted to do high jump, long jump. He wanted to take a race. Okay, he wanted to see who is running faster. Okay, third one, what games does the poet mention? What are the games mentioned here? Throw ball, volleyball, football, basketball, hockey, and cricket. What would you like to play? What would you like to play? I would like to play volleyball. Whichever you like, you can write in that. Okay, and discuss with your friend Roman letter 1A in the sub. See here, which game are easy to play? Which games are easy to play for you? Which is very easy? Running, skipping. So these are the games that you can play easily. Yes or no? Coco, kabaddi. You will play in the PT period. Yes or no? These are the games which you can play easily. Okay, ring, tennis, badminton. Okay. Which game does not need any materials? Which are the games that you no need any materials? Materials is running. Very good. Running, there is no materials used. See, if you are playing cricket, volleyball and all, you need some ball, bat, all these things. Which are the things that you no need anything? Equipments, materials, you don't need to get anything. Yes, swimming also. Very good. Okay, then Roman letter 2A. See this? Look at the poem and complete this exercise fully. Should, page number, in the page number 15, this complete this sentence looking at the book poem. Second stanza, should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. First 4 lines. Okay, do you understand? And the next below is come out and play. Throw ball and volleyball, kick the football, basket the basketball. That's all. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines till the basketball. Basket the basketball. That's all. Enough. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Next is, turn the page number 16. Answer the following. B, Roman, on the top it is there. For whom is sports fun? Sports is fun for each and everyone. Okay. What is the day like? The day is like sunny and bright. What can you do in the pool? What you can do in the pool? You can swim. What do you understand by let's play them all? See, let's play them all means he wanted to play so many games, and that is throw ball, volleyball, football, basketball, hockey, cricket. Okay, all these things. And below, just below, see there, you have a word grid here. See here, words are there. In that, in this grid, see here, search, word search. See here, helmet, safety, stop, gear, brakes, bike, signal, horn, trial is there. It written here. Please mark it, circle it. Okay, understand and circle this. Do you understand? Take page number 17. Okay, in the page number 17, Roman letter 4, see, list 5 games, the names of which end in ing. What are the games which ends ing? Skipping is already done. So, they are asking cycling, boxing, skating, shooting, rowing. These are some of the ing games. And one more thing, see in the Roman letter 5, they are showing that, let us do, see who is going to get the turkey. See, turkey is in the middle and 4 of them are going. You should find out the way. Okay, color it, who is going and reaching the turkey. This is also your activity. You can do this. And another thing is, see, finally what they have given is, they wanted you to do some activities. In this, they wanted to keep an object of a particular color in front of you. It can be dress or toy or piece of cloth or anything. Watch the object for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Close your eyes and visualize the color for 2 minutes. See, if you see continuously, if you watch TV, when you close the TV, off the TV, immediately you will have some picture inside your mind even after you're closing the eyes. Yes or no? That is what they wanted. They are asking you to do. Okay, now next. Now let's see the benefits of each color. Red removes lethargy, fills us with energy. If you see the red color, it removes your laziness and fills you and gives you energy. Yellow color, if you see an yellow color, it cures the digestive problem and helps regain the health after illness. Whatever your stomach pain, all the digestive problems related to your digestive system, mouth to till your anus, this one, any problem, it will be cured if you see the yellow color. Violet color, it improves your memory and concentration, helps the flow of ideas if you see the violet color. Green color removes fear and worry, calms the mind. See, usually they'll do it even in the hospitals. All the screens, most of the wall is painted with the green color. Why? Because to remove the fear and anxiety, worries, calms the mind. Okay, do you understand that? That is given in the column. Okay, Roman letter 6, let us repeat and enjoy. See, this one is, the other day I met a bear. So you should repeat after. See, if one friend is reading, the other one repeat after this. With tennis shoes, a dandy pair, he looked at me, I looked at him, he seized me up, I sized him up. He said to me, why don't you run? I see that you want to have fun. So I did run away from there, and right behind me came that bear. Okay, see, in that Roman letter 7, see the rhyming words: set, met, last, blast, fine, mine, day, way. With this, we are ending the class. Sports is fun. All back exercises over. Okay. Thank you, children.